Evening guys, good evening guys. Hey guys, I've written another book, so it's gonna be out tomorrow morning. I hope you guys understand. And did you see the strategy that I did introduce during the day? It worked. Actually, I did put 5 pairs. I mean, it was 6 pairs. 6 out of 4 they dropped. Only 43 they did spin on Betway. So guys, let's do this. The banker for tonight is 8, 12, and 15. Then short banker 15. Short banker is 15. So if it's like this, it's easy. And then bonus 8 to make it shorter, because I'm not going to take a long time on this one. It should be 5 minutes video. So guys, if you need to purchase the new book, follow the link and purchase the book. The book. Okay, so now let's do this. The code is 150. That is why I get that 15. Code is 150. Sorry, my pencil is behaving. Okay, so my code is 150. Code is 150, which means in other hands it's 510. Because there's no other way. It should be 510. And then there's a number that they skipped, which is 11. Anyway, which means we are done with code 150. We go down here and say code 127. So code 127, we have a 12 there. If we add, we get a 19. If we separate, we get a 5. That is already played, but I'm not sure because the 15 still exists, so it's a living number, of which you can, what I love about Helen. Helen just plays the number as it is from the code. She can say 12, 7, 19, just like that. Or she can say 217 or 227 even, So these codes are just going, just what you can do, play exactly what is in the codes. So short banker, it should be 15 and 12, exactly like that. Then let's go to the third code, which is 123. Code 123, if you add, it gives you 15. So I'm correct. If you separate, it gives you 11. So she can say 15, 12. No, I mean 11, 15, 12. Or she can say 11, 8, 13. This is a 3 number. Do you see that? And then when we are done now, we're gonna go to the bottom code. That's where we have all what we need from the bottom code. Okay, so the bottom code gives us this. The bottom code says to us 1204, which means 12 is picked as a banker, and either way there's a 24. Do you see that? And then there's a 41 or 14. This number has dropped, but I still have a feeling that it can come. Remember, Helen, she doesn't like to split a lot, but in this case she can also try to split and say like 127. Let's say 127 or 122. So it is accurate. So guys, this is what it is. I'm not going to say a lot or say much about this because it's just a straightforward thing. We don't have to struggle so much. That's a straightforward thing. So let's just go and check the home figures, because the home figures are so important. We must always make sure that we check the home figures. It is highly recommended for us to check the home figures. So the home figures for today: 5, home figure of 5 is 23. Home figure of 9 is 45. Home figure of 38 is an 11. Home figure of 41 is 5. So which means 5 can repeat. 5, 11 or 5, 11, 8. Because if the home figure tells us that 5 repeats, it means it's going to repeat. Understand? Then the home figure of 47 is a 13. The home figure of 48 is a 12. Wow, my numbers are just like that. 5, 11, 8, 13, 12. Just imagine that is a 5 number. If you hit that kind of a number, you are gone. You are gone. If you play it with 10 rand in Betway or with NES Play, you can hit up to 550,000 rand. Then you are done. It's all about predictions and know how to handle your numbers, pay your numbers, having a proper banker. Understand? So yeah, guys, this is what it is. I think I am done for today. Gonna catch up with you tomorrow again around 8 or 9 p.m. I mean 8 or 9 a.m. So yeah, thank you very much guys, we're done.